lies within you, but finding it is a journey.
A letter to the president. The nation awaits response. A night of fury turned deadly in Ndonyo Njeru, Nyandarua County, after 3 suspects perished in a police cell set ablaze by an angry mob. The violence forced officers to convene an emergency meeting with residents to try to ease the raw tension gripping the area. Meanwhile, in Isiolo, chaos erupted at the county assembly as gunshots pierced the air and property lay in ruins. The unrest flared after Thursday's impeachment motion against Governor Abdi Ibrahim Guyo. Gilda Mugeni has these and more in our newswrap.
A crisis meeting was held this afternoon in Ndonyo Njeru area, Nyandarua County, after a night of fury left 3 or 4 suspects dead inside police cells set ablaze by enraged residents. The suspects were accused of cattle theft, a crime that ignited outrage among locals who claim police have been shielding criminals. Addressing the emergency security gathering at the Chad police station, Nyandarua County Police Commander Stella Cherono urged residents to exercise restraint when airing grievances.
Tafadhali tujenge uhusiano wetu. Na kama kuna maswali ama kama kuna kitu ambaye unaona ambaye si nzuri, tunakaa chini na tuseme hapa kuna shida. Si ndio? Hapa kuna shida. Tunaweza jisaidia namna gani? So tunatengeneza hiyo uhusiano kwa kutoa yale mambo ambayo tunaona ni mambo mabaya ambayo hayastahili.
Elsewhere, police in Isiolo have launched investigations into a shooting incident and a wave of vandalism that shocked the Isiolo County Assembly following Thursday's impeachment motion against Governor Abdi Ibrahim Guyo. Barak Abdullahi, who is 26, was shot in the ankle during the chaos and is now receiving treatment in hospital. Isiolo Sub-County Police Commander Joseph Mwendwa confirmed a probe is underway to track down those who stormed the assembly, torched vehicles, smashed windows, and made away with furniture and other property.
Some furnitures were vandalized. Computer systems within the offices were also vandalized. And then they went to an extent of vandalizing some 2 vehicles, private vehicles, which were parked at the parking lot within that premise.
Meanwhile, the county government of Nairobi has unveiled an ambitious 44.6 billion shillings budget for the 2025-2026 financial year, with a sharp focus on economic revival and development. Officials say they expect to clear the bulk of pending bills by the close of the current financial year.
Total projected also revenue amounts to 20.9 billion. Hospitals FIF, we expect 1.23 billion, and liquor licensing 400 billion shillings. Mr. Speaker, the total projected expenditure amounts to the same 44.6 billion, made up of both recurrent and development expenditure.
And the Kenya Association of Travel Agents now wants the country to adopt an open skies policy to further enhance travel efficiency and accessibility. Chairperson Joseph Kithitu says to fully realize its benefit, there's a pressing need for clear and harmonized regulatory frameworks that support seamless air connectivity across regions.
This is a tourism industry. We are talking about a 5 million projection the government is having for the tourism numbers in 2027. That needs a lot of collaboration. Airlines to bring in new clients into the market. We want more national airlines to fly into the country.
More important is also bring down the costs. Africa per kilometer has the highest cost when you look at air travel.
Gilda Mugeni for KTN.
Better women.